Not yet. What are we going to do then, Al? How many have we caught?
Lots.
Go on then.
There's the two.
Starfish. Fish don't want to come out.
They do.
No, they're swimming back in again.
No,
He is.
All the crabs have disappeared.
See?
Oh.
See, here comes another crab. Gently. Yeah, the big fish is still in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
There, it's out.
There he goes.
Get out.
That one's got a bloody stone on his head.
Out.
Are they all out?
Yeah.
So look at you all. Ollie. Hello, Pixie girl.
Now I'm going to make a hand catch. I'm going to catch a crab on a hand.